Let's check around the side.
It's full control.
Is there? No one's in the car.
I've got my binoculars, don't I?
Oh, have you got them?
It's got windows.
Yeah, that's what I'm worried about. Where's this goddamn entrance?
That's the one thing I'm not doing, is breaking anything to get inside. It doesn't open the outside.
Oh yeah.
We have to break.
I want to see what's in here though, kinda.
What?
Climb the ladder. Ah, just scrap. Looks like you're having no air conditioning. Oh, wrong way.